Welcome to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. I'm Nipasa Pradhan. The US Visa Bulletin for January 2025 has been released, providing essential information for individuals seeking immigrant visas and green cards. This bulletin is particularly significant for applicants from India as it reflects notable changes in various employment-based EB and family-sponsored categories. Coming up is a detailed breakdown starting with India and then covering other countries. Visa Bulletin details for India. Employment-based categories. EB1, the priority workers. Final action dates is February 1st, 2022. Dates for filing is April 15th, 2022. The EB1 category remains stagnant, reflecting a backlog and high demand. EB2, advanced degrees or exceptional ability. Final action date is October 1st, 2012 and dates for filing is January 1st, 2013. This category shows significant retrogression compared to previous months. EB3, skilled workers and professionals. Final action date is December 1st, 2012 and dates of filing is June 8th, 2013. The movement in this category is slow but consistent with historical trends. Other workers. Final action date is December 1st, 2012. This category mirrors the EB3 dates. EB5, investor category. Final action date is January 1st, 2022. This indicates a more favorable environment for investors compared to employment-based categories. Family-sponsored categories. F1, for unmarried sons or daughters of US citizens. Final action date is November 22, 2015, previously October 22nd, 2015. This advancement provides hope for applicants waiting in this category. F3, for married sons or daughters of US citizens. Final action date is July 1st, 2010. Filing date is July 22nd, 2012. Movement in this category is significant. F4, siblings of US citizens. Final action date, August 15th, 2006. Previously March 8th, 2006. This category continues to see progress. Visa Bulletin details for other countries. Employment-based categories for China, mainland-born. EB1, February 1st, 2022. Filing date before April 15th, 2022. EB2, August 1st, 2023. Filing date before January 1st, 2024. EB3, March 1st, 2023, filing date before June 8th, 2023. All other countries, that is rest of the world, most employment-based categories are current. EB1, current for all priority dates. EB2, current for priority dates before August 1st, 2023. EB3, current for priority dates before March 1st, 2023. Family-sponsored categories for China. Similar advancements as seen in India. F1 moves to November date, F3 moves ahead significantly. Other countries, family-sponsored categories, generally show positive movement. F1 and F4 categories have advanced across various countries. Diversity Visa or DV, lottery for DV lottery applicants. Approximately 52,000 diversity visas are available. Allocations per region, Africa 22,500, Asia 5,500, Europe 12,000, and North America limit to the Bahamas. Oceania 1,100, South America and the Caribbean 1,750. And to conclude, the January Visa Bulletin reflects significant changes that primarily benefit Indian applicants in family-sponsored categories, while indicating continued challenges in employment-based categories like EB1 and EB2. Understanding these changes is vital for applicants as they navigate the immigration process. For specific advice tailored to individual circumstances or further inquiries about the bulletin's implications on personal cases, consulting an immigration attorney is recommended. That's all for today's January 2025 Visa Bulletin updates. Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show.